Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best portable monitors that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Asus ROG Strix. Asus ROG Strix is the best portable monitor for laptop. It's a good option for boosting productivity when you're away from home or the workplace. It features superb gray uniformity, exceptional SDR color range, and excellent gradient control due to its 17-inch screen and high pixel density. In addition, it comes with a 7,800 mAh battery built-in, which allows you to work or play for several hours. It features a great response time and comes with a 240 Hz refresh rate. As a result, it provides a crystal clear motion with no apparent blur around fast-moving things. It also has a minimal input lag, making it ideal for gaming and desktop use. It has NVIDIA's GSINC compatible mode. Especially, it includes FreeSync variable refresh rate technology, offering a practically tear-free gaming experience from virtually any source. At number 4. ViewSonic. ViewSonic portable monitor is the best portable monitor for general use. This 15.6-inch portable monitor weighs just under 2 pounds. It can be quickly stored and brought with you everywhere you go. It has a dual USB-C port that can transfer data, audio, video, and power over a single cable. The laptops can charge the monitor through two-way power. It has a touchscreen cover and a built-in stand for landscape and portrait configuration. All-day comfort is provided by flicker-free technology and a blue light filter. It has a single USB-C connection, connects video, audio, data, and power, and uses the USB hub to connect peripherals like USB drives and mice. It comes with mini HDMI 1.4 and USB-C inputs. Moreover, VG1655 is the best portable monitor for Mac Mini. At number 3. Lapel. Lapel comes with the micro-DP port, full-function Type-C port, and mini HDMI. Offers a variety of connections for mobile phones, PCs, laptops, and game consoles. It is the best cheap portable monitor. In addition, it comes with a wide HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. With its 178 degrees whole viewing angle, the premium 15.4-inch Lapel portable monitor delivers crisp and brilliant visuals. It's easy to carry for business and travel because it has a 15.4-inch display. It is a thin portable monitor with 0.27-inch thickness and a 1.6-pound weight. The monitor's built-in stand adjusts horizontally and vertically to fit a variety of demands. Lapel portable monitor's advanced HDR technology brightens the highlights and darkens the lowlights, allowing for better resolution and more colorful images to be displayed. The unique features in this portable monitor are duplicate mode and extended mode as a second screen are also supported by the 1080p. Not only does the improved IPS panel improve brightness and color gamut, but it also protects your eyesight. Furthermore, the Lapel portable monitor offers outstanding sound quality and a realistic entertainment experience due to its 2 built-in speakers. In addition, it has a 3.5mm audio jack so that you may enjoy your personal space with headphones. At number 2. CocoPar. The special feature of this portable monitor is, it is the best portable monitor in all aspects. It comes with a 15.6 inches super clear IPS A-grade screen. It gives incredible visuals with excellent color reproduction. Similarly, it also has a low blue light feature. The CocoPar monitor has 2 full-featured Type-C connectors for extra comfort. To connect for power and display signal transmission, only one USB Type-C cable is required. It is compatible with computers, PCs, mobile phones, laptops, Xbox, PS4, and Nintendo Switch with a mini HDMI port or USB Type-C port. As it is lightweight and compact, you can use it as a travel monitor. At its thinnest point, it is only 4 mm thick and weighs 722 g. The Smart Stand case protects the entire display. Moreover, it can be customized to different standing angles because of its portability and ease of use. It is an excellent choice. CocoPar monitor improves the clarity and contrast of each and every pixel in every frame. It comes with built-in HDR and FreeSync technologies to provide amazingly vibrant and realistic visuals. There are 4 different display modes. They are standard, game, movie, and photo. So, it is suitable for students, gamers, travelers, merchants, coders, videographers, and business people. At number 1. Asus ProArt. Are you looking for the best portable monitor with good accuracy? You can go for Asus ProArt. It is a suitable portable monitor for photographers. As it is a color-accurate portable Full HD monitor, you can connect it straight to your camera. Similarly, it allows you to check photographs on the fly to guarantee. So, you don't miss any important shots. The Asus is far more realistic, with no discernible differences in white or color hues. It offers a fantastic SDR color range. It covers nearly the whole sRGB color space required by most desktop and web content and excellent gradient management. Asus ProArt palette allows you to alter various display properties such as color hue, temperature, and gamma. It is conveniently accessible via on-screen menus. In bright settings, it offers good visibility, with a decent peak brightness and good reflection managing. It also has a respectable response time and significantly better motion handling than the previous model. This is the best small display monitor for your laptop. So, you can quickly adapt and match your demands whether you're grading colors, editing films, or changing photos. It comes with multiple settings for rapid color gamut modification are included in the Asus exclusive ProArt preset. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.